Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel 12Step. Today in this video let's learn about how to recover Binance Google Authenticator. So let's get into it. At first let's get into the Binance app. Now in the top left corner we need to click on this icon over here and click on settings. Scroll down to security and here we can see Authenticator app. So let's tap on this and make sure you have already downloaded the app and click on enable. Now we'll get a verification code. Now we need to copy this and go to Google Authenticator for authentication. Now add the number here, click on next and click on submit. And it's done. This is how we can recover Binance Google Authentication. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.